Ramadan Mubarak. It is the 13th day of Ramadan and Alhamdulillah I'm fasting. So currently I'm near the paddy field, you can see, with my nephew Ishak. With my nephew, his name is Ishak. So we have come here to pass my time and enjoy the beauty of nature. And if you notice, you can see that it is a windy weather and the sun, right now the sun is not shining in the sky. So amazing weather and practice in English. So basically I'm trying to improve my speaking in front of the camera because I don't have habit to speak in front of the camera. So I'm trying to it. And if you look behind me, you can see a bottle gourd plant. And if you look in front of me, this is a custard apple plant. There are some custard apple. Okay, let me see. I think you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 custard apple. And look, my nephew, he also was seeing the custard apple and he's walking. Ishak, come here. So like this way I practice English, and I always try to be close to nature and practice English. If you enjoy the beauty of my village and beauty of nature, let me know in comment. I'll make more video like this and you can enjoy the beauty of nature.